luxury living. Now today we're going to be cooking dinner, and we're going to be cooking some long and wild rice, and we're going to be adding some coconut milk to it, so this will form our carbohydrate. And we're going to be frying some chicken, and these are chicken wings, and we got them from Kirkland from Costco, so we're going to do some of that. And we're going to make some sauce with some bell pepper, some red onions, tomato, scallion, and then we are going to be doing some salad. And we have some cabbage here, we have some kale, green kale, and we have some cilantro that we're going to put in there, and we have some poppy seed that we're going to be putting in there, and also some vinaigrette, right? So that is what we have planned for dinner today, and I trust that you will join us on this lovely adventure in having and in cooking a delicious meal. Stay tuned and come along for the ride.